I am going to teach you factors affecting runoff. While the runoff from the drainage basin or the catchment area of the natural streams that depends on several factors that are climatic factors and physiographic factors. First, climatic factors. Climatic factors are precipitation, rain intensity, duration of rainfall, distribution of rainfall, direction of storm movement, soil moisture deficiency. First, we see about precipitation. The precipitation may occur either in the form of rain or the storm. If the precipitation occur in the form of rain, it will immediately produce the runoff. But if the precipitation occur in the form of snow, it will produce the runoff much later because it has to be converted into the water form and then after it may move easily. Then rain intensity. If the intensity of rainfall is more, the corresponding runoff will be more. And if the intensity of rainfall is low, the corresponding runoff will be obviously low. Then duration of rainfall. If the duration of rainfall is quite small, the runoff may not occur due to the infiltration or the interception. Duration of rainfall is high, runoff will be high. The next factor is distribution of rainfall. A greater arrival extent of the rainfall over the drainage basin and also the rainfall for the longer duration would produce the greater runoff. If the rainfall occurs at the upstream of the outlet, runoff takes time to reach the outlet and the peak runoff. On the other hand, we can say if the rainfall occurs close to the outlet, runoff is quick and the higher because directly it converted into the runoff. Then direction of storm movement. If the storm moves upstreams of the outlet, runoff at the outlet occurs slowly as much later time. But if the storm occurs near to the outlets, runoff is quite quick and with the higher magnitude. Then soil moisture deficiency. Runoff is greatly affected by soil moisture conditions. If the soil moisture condition is quite low, before the rain occurs, most of the rainfall is lost as the infiltration and as the result, runoff will be low. If the soil moisture condition is high, rainfall produce high runoff. There are some other climatic factors also such as wind velocity, temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, also radiation and the vapor pressure. Higher temperature and higher wind velocity causes the more losses due to the evaporation. Hence it reduces the runoff. If the temperature is low, the ground is saturated and frozen, it gives the rise to the greater runoff. On the other hand, the greater humidity decrease the evaporation and the transpiration losses and such thing will enhance the runoff. The variation of the pressure in the atmosphere that helps the movement of the storm that causing the rainfall. Now if the direction of the storm is same as the direction of flow in the drainage, then the water will remain in basin for the lesser period and hence the runoff will be produced in the short duration. Thus, this factor affects the losses from the drainage basin and therefore it will also affect the runoff. Losses are more, runoff will be less. And if losses are less, runoff will be more. So, this works as vice versa. So, these all the climatic factors that affect the runoff, that is from drainage basin. Then other factor, physiographic factor. The physiographic factor are size of the basin and shape of the basin. First, the size of the basin. In general, the larger the drainage basin, greater will be the runoff. And the size of the catchment has definite effect on the runoff. So, more the area, more will be the runoff. Then the shape of the basin. A drainage basin may be either fan shaped or F shape. If the catchment area is small and fan shape, then the runoff will be low. But if the catchment area is larger and the fan shape, the runoff will be more. In the fan shaped drainage basin, all the tributaries of the stream are comparable length, and hence runoff from each tributary reaches almost simultaneously. However, in the fan leaf basin, the time of the concentration is more since the discharge is distributed over the long period. Thank you.